everyone, this is Alessandro Bruxel for Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe for a soft boiled tempura egg. I love using this to top fried rice. They're also great with any ramen noodle dishes. Today I'm serving it with a kimchi fried rice, which I'm going to be sharing the recipe with you soon. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Start by bringing a medium-sized pan with water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add the eggs. Make no more than 4 eggs at a time in a medium-sized pan to avoid the water from cooling down. Set a timer and boil the eggs for exact 6 minutes. While the eggs boil, prepare a bowl with water and ice. And after 6 minutes have passed, transfer the eggs into the ice bath. After the eggs have cooled, it's time to peel them. The best way to do this is by lightly tapping them all around with the back of a spoon, and then carefully removing the shell. After 6 minutes boiling, the egg white is gonna get firmer, but the egg yolk in the center is still gonna be soft and runny. So be careful while peeling the eggs not to break the egg white. Add a little bit of all-purpose flour to a plate to coat the eggs. For the tempura batter, add half cup of all-purpose flour to a bowl, half cup of cornstarch, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix the dry ingredients, then beat 1 egg and add it to the bowl. And add 1 cup of ice-cold water. Make sure the water is really cold. Add half cup first and the rest slowly, until you have a thin batter. Do not overmix it. It is okay for the batter to still be lumpy. It is important to make the batter right before frying, because you want to keep it as cold as possible. Roll the eggs on the flour to coat all around. Then, dip the eggs in the batter and deep fry them in vegetable oil. The oil should be at 350 Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius, so you can get a crispy batter without further cooking the egg yolk. I like to add an extra drizzle of batter on top of the egg as it fries, to get some crispy batter bits. Remove the egg from the oil once the batter turns nice and golden. Place the eggs on paper towel or on a wire rack to drain and serve as soon as possible. And here we go. Beautiful tempura eggs. I am serving the tempura eggs today on top of a kimchi fried rice. And I'm also adding a few of the crispy tempura bits. And it is now time to eat. This tempura egg should have a nice and runny yolk. And that looks perfect. As I mentioned in the beginning, these tempura eggs are perfect to add on top of your favorite fried rice, and also a great addition to ramen noodle dishes. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.